Hello, thanks for joining me on this one. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add variable products to your WooCommerce website. Say you have a product that has variable colors, sizes, and all that. You can actually add that here, and I'll be showing you exactly how to do it. So all you need to do is add a new product. Of course, we add the product name. We're naming this variable product. Now, here is where the change begins. So we have the product data here. The product type right here is simple product. So all you need to do is change it to variable product, and then you see the options here have changed. Now you need to take note of two things here. To create a variable product, you need attributes and the variation. So the attributes can refer to the variable category. Say you have colors, you have size, you have whatever kind of measurement that you have, right? So, but for now, we don't have any option here. Now, I would like us to go through the route of creating attributes. So, I'm opening the attribute option in a new tab. So, say we are dealing with color, we're also using size. You just type that out and you add them up. Now, the next thing to do is to configure the terms. Now we have color. What kind of colors do we have? We have blue and we have red. Yes, those are two options for the colors. So we'll do the same for size. So depending on what product you are selling, the size can vary. So please ensure you click on configure terms here. So configure terms, we have, say I'm using size 12 and size 14. So let's just have those two, closing these tabs. We don't need them anymore for now. Now, let me save this product to draft so that it can fetch the data we just entered. When we come back to attributes, we can see that the two options we created, color and size, are available here. So let's work with color for now. Once you select the attribute you want, click on add. Now, once you click on this field, it shows you the terms. So we have blue that we initially created, and we also have red. Now we have these two options. Suppose you want to add new options. You don't need to go through the route of creating attributes from the options here. You just need to add new right here. So we're adding black to this list. Sorry, I did not get that spelling correctly, but yeah, it works. Now, ensure to click use for variation. This is the only way you can actually use these options you've created for variation. Save your attributes, and in a few seconds, it will load up and you click on variations. Now, you need to create variation from all attributes. Confirm, and yes, you see the options you have right here. So you can open each of these options and add specific data relating to the option. Say you are adding pricing, you can add the regular price and also the sale price. You can add a custom image for each of the items. Say we're adding this image for the black color, we're adding this image for the blue, of course, the pricing, and then we're adding this image for the red. It's just random, of course. And the pricing, click on save changes. So your variations are saved already. All the remaining information here is pretty standard. Say this is a variable product. You select the category depending on what you have. You can still select a product image for this product. So select this and publish a variable product. So let's see how this would look on the front end. Let's reload our shop page. So we have the variable product we just created. We click on it and you can already see that the pricing is from between 2,500 to 4,000 for this variable product. And when you choose the color options, you can choose from the options we entered initially. So we have blue, it changes the picture. If you notice, we have red, it changes the picture. We have black, it changes the picture. And that's all. If you don't choose anything, it shows you the default picture. So anyone can buy any of these options, right? And you notice that the prices change as well. Now let's add more attributes. Let's add the size attributes now. So let's also select use for variation. We have size 12 and size 14. Save attributes. And once you come to variation, it sort of changes what you currently have, or more appropriately, adds a new field here where you can select the size. Initially, if you added both attributes and you come here to create variation from all attributes, it will merge everything, like it will create all the possible variations for you. But since we did this separately, you get to select them by yourself. So say we have black color size 12, we have blue color in size 14, and we have red color in size 12. Once we save the attributes, this is what happens. We come to the front end, we reload this. You notice that you have two different options. You have color, you can select black in size 12 because it's only available in size 12. You can select red, and this is also available in size 12. But when you select, okay, let's go back. When you select blue, it's in size 14. Now, let's check what happens if we create variation from all attributes. Let's delete the current variations we have. And recreate them. Note that this takes you back, like it clears everything you've done and it creates them all from scratch. Now, instead of the initial three variations we have 12, we have six variations instead. So we have black in both sizes. We have black in size 12 and black in size 14, blue in size 12, blue in size 14, 14 like that and like that. So you can simply add the pricing as you want and also add the images as you want. Let's try and save this and see what happens on the front end. Although I did not really add pricing to them, but let's see what happens. Okay, it's simply showing the item with pricing. Let's just go ahead and add pricing to the rest of them. It can be random, of course, for the purpose of this tutorial here. Okay, let's save our attributes and come here, reload. Now we have all three colors and we have the two different sizes. So if we select black, we have two sizes for black. You either choose 14 or 12. If you select blue, same thing. So all the attributes and variations are all rounded right here. So this is like the easiest way to create variation using WooCommerce. And yeah, you have your product options. And also note that you can add stock management and others, which I will share with you in the next video.